Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, everyone. This week we have another story by Oliver Jeffers. Look, can you see? Up and down, up and down. So we have the boy, look, in the park. Remember the trees? But this time, the boy has a friend. The friend is not a star. The friend is a penguin. Let's see. Once there were two friends. Two friends. What are they doing? They're walking. And have a good look. Where are they walking? In a park with the trees. How many trees can you count? Now, the two friends always did everything together. Singing, playing music, and playing games. Do you know this game? It's a beautiful game. It's not chess. No, it's called backgammon. Beautiful. They're playing, look. Until one day, the penguin decided there was something important he wanted to do all by himself. Look, the penguin's walking away. What could it be? Let's see. The penguin wanted to fly. Up, 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 up into the sky. Beautiful. Look at the mountains. Wow. The penguin wanted to fly. He did own wings, after all. Yes, because a penguin is a bird. Look, two wings. And then, even if they didn't work very well, doesn't really fly. It's a penguin after all. He wanted to learn. So look, here he is, up on a chair, on a dresser. Although that didn't stop the penguin from trying. See, he's trying. The boy is helping. He's holding a, what do we call this? Do you remember? Holding a pillow. They kept trying with the balloon, but nothing worked, and it wasn't long before he ran out of ideas. First a small balloon, and then a big balloon. The boy even offered him a go in his plane. Look, what a beautiful plane. But the engine hadn't recovered from its last flight. So the plane couldn't take off. And besides, it wasn't the same, because the penguin wanted to do it all by himself. After doing a bit of homework, it seemed as though the odds were against him. Look, what does the book say? Penguins can't fly. So, together, the boy and the penguin decided it was time to ask for help. Where are they going? Do you know this place? Do you know this place? What's this place called where you can see all the animals? It's not a garden. It's not a park. It starts with a Z. The zoo. And they're going to see the birds. When something caught the penguin's eye, and he knew this was his chance. What does it say here on the poster? Ever dreamed of flying? He wanted to fly. In his excitement, he rushed off without a word. The boy didn't know where he'd gone. Look, the boy's asking for help, and the penguin The boy looked everywhere and even thought he'd found his friend for a second. All the penguins, but none of them were his friend, although none of these other penguins knew how to play his favorite game. So, hadn't found his friend. Meanwhile, the penguin had found the right place and was hired on the spot. Soon he'd get to fly. Look. What is going on here? Strange. Suddenly, he realized he didn't know where his friend was or how to get home. All alone. Look, he's looking around. Where is my friend? Later that night, the penguin couldn't help but miss his friend. Look. Stars in the sky, the moon, and here he is, thinking about his friend. Likewise, the boy could barely sleep, worrying about his friend. Where is my friend? Where is he? Is he there? No, is he there? Where is he? The next day, the boy tried to think. All the places the penguin would go. Where would he go? Where would he go? I don't know. When something caught his eye. What's this? All new living cannonball tonight. He didn't have much time. We need to run. The penguin's big moment had come, but somehow he wasn't sure. He wasn't sure about flying anymore. He was looking at this. What is this? Look, a cannon. He wished the boy were there and even wondered if his friend had noticed he'd gone. He noticed the boy is looking for the penguin. But it was too late for thoughts like that. He took off like a bullet in a gun. The boy was running. He bought a ticket and then rushed in, hoping he could still catch his friend. The penguin couldn't believe how high and how fast he was flying, and he had no idea how he was going to land. He was terrified and wished his friend were there to help him. Look, there he is. A pillow, a net to catch him, trampoline. There he is. Look. The boy was there to catch him. Hop, boom, and they're all okay. The friends agreed that there was a reason why his wings didn't work very well. It's because penguins don't like flying. But look, they're happy and they're together. So, together, the two friends made a break for home. On a bicycle, together. And what did they do? They played their favorite game. Beautiful. Did you have fun? Did you like the story? I did. Okay, what I would like you to do is listen and repeat. Bye, everyone.